Hello, I'm Nigel Youell, Senior Director of Product Marketing for Enterprise Performance Management at Oracle. I'm joined here by Marc Seewald. Marc's Senior Director and Product Manager for our Enterprise Performance Management planning products. And Marc, let's start with talking a bit about Planning and Budgeting Cloud Service. Out for just over 2 years now, over 1,000 customers. So I guess you're pretty happy and at the success of that new cloud product.
Yeah, no, Planning and Budgeting Cloud Service has been very successful. It's really been one of our fastest growing products at Oracle. Really continues to exceed all our expectations, really. Very well received across our customer base, large customers, small customers, different industries, really different use cases, both in finance as well as outside of finance. So very pleased with the success we've had so far.
And of course now we've got a new product. We've got Enterprise Planning and Budgeting Cloud Service. So maybe you can talk a little bit about what that adds to Planning and Budgeting Cloud Service.
Yeah, we're building on the value that we've already delivered in the Planning Cloud with by delivering pre-built planning framework for specific business processes. Right. So 4 specific business processes in particular: financial statement planning, which is fully integrated income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow, driver-based type planning. We have workforce planning, allows you to do very detailed employee level or job code level planning. We also have capital asset planning, which allows you to do very detailed capital asset planning, things like maintenance expense, repairs expense, and again, driver-based as well. And then finally is our project financial planning, which is really actually an area we're really excited in. It's suitable in a few different ways. First off, it's very suitable for project-oriented industries like construction or engineering or professional services. But it's also, we've implemented it in a way that allows it to be used in more of a departmental type fashion, so more of a simplified project-oriented basis. And that's very suitable for project-oriented departments like IT departments, marketing organizations that do planning around campaigns. Campaigns are very similar to projects, as well as R&D organizations. So we really are seeing not just finance use cases, but those beyond finance use cases as well.
Yeah, I mean, if you take project planning, you could even sort of things like facilities, where you're building new facilities, managing that sort of process as well.
Absolutely. I mean, we see it in many industries, actually. Surprising industries in the financial services. Financial services companies might be expanding a lot of new retail locations. Right. Those are nothing more than projects to them. So even it's not just those traditional project-oriented industries. So
I mean, Marc, the real sort of value from this is getting stuff out the box and getting started quickly, in the cloud.
Yeah, no, that's a great point. I think it's a bit of a differentiator between on-premise versus in the cloud. We're able to deliver a lot of best practice planning out of the box, and on top of that, it's delivered on a framework that's very configurable. So our customers configure their very specific requirements, whether it's industry-specific requirements, customer-specific requirements, yet it all remains upgradable in the cloud. And then furthermore, it's also able to be kind of you can adopt it at a speed that's appropriate for your business. So let's say you just want to use a few processes or sub-processes from a planning perspective, maybe in year 1, matured a little bit more in year 2, and then matured even further in year 3. So quick wins, get up and running very successfully, long-term value of the solution.
Marc, thank you for sharing all that. It was a really exciting and new product, and say thank you for sharing with us. We'll talk again soon, I hope.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much. Always good talk with you, Nigel. Thank you.
Good. And thank you for joining us.